Hey y'all, I know it's late. It is Monday, August the 30th. But guys, do y'all know I am just now, well actually, I was home earlier like at 5 and then I left back out because I had to meet the guy about my car again at, what time was that? Like at 5:15. So now it is almost 10 o'clock at night. I'm so pissed off, but I'm actually about to make me a burrito or two. So, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Sorry it's so late, but this is what it is, y'all. This is what it is today. Yeah, but I had work earlier, and what else? I worked earlier, then when I came home, I done some things around the house, and oh, I'm gonna post on Instagram how that pot looks. I ain't gonna show y'all in this video, but I'm gonna go ahead and put together my, I have some mushrooms right now, some cilantro, purple onion, and what else? There's something else in here. Oh, green onion. And then I added some, I'm going to add some of this black bean stuff that I got from yesterday. This salad here, I'm going to put this on top of that with this. But while I'm talking to you guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and add me some garlic because my throat is sore. Really sore. So yeah, I normally don't eat this late, but as long as it's healthy, I think I'll be okay. So yeah, guys, I don't know what this video is going to entail because like I said, it is the evening on Monday. But today was a good day though. I got a lot of things done. I was very, very productive today. Today was a productive day. So I think once I'm done with my burrito here, I'm going to go in the back and see what's going on. Probably watch a little bit of television, do a little bit of meditating, and it'll be time to go to bed, y'all. You know? Y'all, use a lot of garlic in your food because we need it, okay? So what's going on? I think I keep telling y'all that. But even if you I'm gonna show y'all. You see how small that garlic is? Even if you swallow little pieces like that, it will help you. Just something to keep you up to date. Keep your immune system going too. So yeah, but that's how that looks right here. I'll show you guys. Hold on. Let me show y'all real quick how that looks. That's what it looks like. So then, yeah, I'm gonna be putting those in here. And then that's gonna be it, y'all. I'm gonna sit back and watch a movie and we'll be back. All right. All right, let me show y'all again. Okay, so it's done. I had to.
What juice?
Right there in that corner. The grape juice, yeah. I had to get myself together, y'all. But I'm about to grub. I'm about to show y'all what that's gonna look like. Oh, that's hot. Do not ask for none.
What?
Don't ask for none since you said you did. Okay.
Which one is?
No, the short glass up there. Y'all see that?
The short
Isn't that
one?
pretty?
This
Yes.
one?
Yes. Look at that. Look at that. So, you're going to put some of that on there like so. This is red beans. This is like kidney beans, black beans, corn. I think there's some cilantro in here too and onions. Can y'all see that? Okay, let me see. Right layer. Okay. Then I'm going to add my Gouda. This is Follow Your Heart Gouda cheese. Y'all, this is not the vegan channel. Y'all supposed to be following the vegan channel, but I just brought y'all along so y'all can see what she having for dinner. Something quick and healthy. I was going to make me a salad and then I changed my mind. So, yeah. So that's what we're having. So I'm going to go ahead and put the tomato on here as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my, y'all, these are the mushrooms. Look at that. And that's going to melt the cheese. Ooh-wee. So I might have some left. I don't know. Might have some left. I don't have nothing to hold this thing here. Oh, y'all. So yeah, tomorrow is another day. Y'all gotta go I gotta go do, hopefully, after this stuff that I have to get done tomorrow, the truck will be fine. But it just seems like it's one thing after the other. It's really getting on my nerves. But like I say, y'all, if you ain't going through nothing, you ain't doing nothing. Okay? So yeah, I'm about to take this to the back. Get my grub on, find a movie to watch. I'm definitely not watching, well, he's probably watching. But yeah, this is dinner for me. So I'm going to show y'all real quick. Yeah, y'all. It's looking mighty good. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So I will see you guys in a minute. Hold the line, please. About to go find something to watch. I know y'all ready to tell you what it tastes like. I know it tastes good anyway. This is kind of like similar to what I had yesterday, a little bit.
What? Excuse me. Jeez.
Y'all, I don't know what kind of movie is this. I'm not even gonna watch it.
I ain't gonna watch it.
I don't even want to talk about it. It's not even a movie.
It's a movie. This movie right here.
So good. No, you the movie.
Ready?
Yeah.
Right from here.
I'm ready to hear something. What is that? Look at that. Y'all.
Oh. You having fit over here.
I am. This is so good. What's so funny? You may have to get on it, girl. Y'all. I mean, not girl, but.
Say what?
You gotta be. I said you're not about to get on my nerve. I'm saying you gotta be careful what you watch. That's not building. That's demonic stuff.
Movie. Calm down.
Y'all, if I turn this, I'm gonna turn this around. This is not a movie.
It's a movie.
I don't like watching ladies touching each other and stuff like that. That's demonic.
That's demonic.
Yeah, you gotta know better. Like that's not helping you. That's not helping you grow.
Right, you supposed to help me grow.
Y'all, can y'all please? I'm not supposed to help him grow.
Okay, you supposed to help me grow.
All right, but if I'm supposed to help you grow,
don't admit your life.
Y'all listen. No, if I'm supposed to help,
it can't always be the same. Some things got to be different. You got to have different things going on in life, not the same old side story. That's how a marriage is interrupted and destroyed.
No, it's not.
Because it's always supposed to be changing, something different, something new. Always will be happening.
All right, that's true, but good things, not like
this
two
is
ladies.
Good things. This
Y'all,
is good things. You want me to tell me what it's about?
I don't really care what it's about.
Okay, so why you explain it to me?
I'm trying to explain to them that what you should not be letting in your ear gates is what I'm saying. Y'all understand what I'm talking about? I'm talking about things that you watch that you should not watch. It's not good for no marriage. No, it's not. That's why marriage. How?
It's good for your marriage.
Yeah, I walked in here. It was two ladies kissing. I don't want to see that. I'm not into all that dumb stuff. Because it was.
Really?
Yeah, and that is not even real, and that is disgusting looking. Y'all, I'm about to eat my meal. I ain't on that.
That's what I thought you was gonna do. Thought that's what you was gonna do.
But you're saying you're wrong information. This stuff is not.
Ain't
not good.
I'm just watching TV, a movie.
But I asked you to put on something that
I am. We're gonna watch something that you want to watch, but you never want to watch nothing. No matter what I put on, you ain't satisfied with me.
It's not true. It's not helping us. That's why I'm gonna watch it. Y'all, and I'm about to end this video because I'm about to eat my sandwich. It's already late. I want y'all to comment below. Am I right or is he right? Because what did you say?
What?
You said that's how you build?
I said you can build off of anything. And you got to take what you look at and distinguish the things out of it that you can get from it, and the rest of it doesn't really matter. So you always, everything in life, you use it to your ability, to the best of your ability. to figure out what direction you want to go and what direction you don't.
But it's not good. I don't need to sit here and I don't want to watch even 2 men. What the hell I want to look at that for? That doesn't make any sense. I just think it's not good. That's all I'm saying. It's not worth it.
Might be a freaky girl that like to watch 2 niggas get it on.
But I'm not that person. What
Okay, I just said. I didn't say you was that person. I said you could be.
But I'm not. Okay. So you already know that.
There's nothing wrong with that, man. You're not. Got some people that is.
Y'all, I love y'all. Y'all have a good night. Happy Monday night. Continue to pray for this one.
God bless you.
God bless them.
God bless you.
Okay. All right, y'all. I'm about to go because this might be in somebody's face, and I'm just playing. But communication is key, but that is not right. You're supposed to be not watching that stuff. That's all you got to say?
No, that's all I got to say.
That's all you got to say. You know that's right, y'all.
That's right.
Bye, y'all. Bye. You have anything to say?
No. Bye. Love you guys.
Oh, my gosh. Bye, y'all.